Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sagario vlog. So today we are going to cook a adobong baboy, okay? We have this, the seeds of pepper, and garlic and onion. So that's all. And then we have mamacitas, oyster sauce. So we have this Japanese, I think Japanese or Chinese dark soy sauce. So that the soy sauce will be, so that the meat will be colored darker, and then is salt. And of course, we have this pepper, a little bit. So there you go. We are going to start. Oh, let's put an oil. Not too much.
Okay, gisahin na natin yung mga ingredients natin. Right. Yan, halu-haluin lang natin. Tapos onion. Hanggang magiging kulay golden brown. Tapos ilagay na natin next yung baboy. Alright. Yan, dahan-dahan lang. Take your time. Yan. Medyo matigas yung baboy natin kasi may frozen po. Yan, umusok po. Yan, halu-haluin lang natin. Yan, at saka lagyan na natin ng paminta. Pwede natin pagsabay-sabayan. Nagde-depende lang sa inyo kung anong style ng pagluluto. Yan. So, subukan nyo rin. Walang limit kung ano yung unahin nyo. Yan, lagyan natin asin. Salt. Konti lang kasi lalagyan din natin ng soy sauce. Gating budbud lang. At lagyan din natin ng pampalasa. Ginagamit ko yung magic sarap. At maglalagay rin tayo ng soy sauce. So yan, hindi ko na ginamit yung dark soy sauce. So itong regular soy sauce na lang. At lalagyan na natin ng vinegar. Yan, 3 kutsara. Ganon. Depende sa inyo kung gusto niyo medyo maasim. At lalagyan na rin natin ng oyster sauce. So ito yung medyo pang patamis sa kanya at magbibigay rin ng lasa. Ayun. Dagdagan natin konti. Pwede na yan. At paghalu-haluin lang natin. So subukan yung ganitong pagluto. Masarap to guys. Ayan, kumulo na rin. So check natin. Haluin lang natin konti. Yan, kita nyo guys, medyo hindi masyado nag dark brown. So at least brown siya. Yan. Nagugutom na ako. Parang sarap ng tikman. Natikman nga natin. Yummy, sarap. So konting luto pa. Ayan, wala na tayong ibang hinahalo pa, pure baboy talaga to. So haluin na natin. Kita nyo, medyo nag dark brown na siya. So anytime pwede na kaming kumain. Ayan, samahan nyo kami at i-vlog namin kung ano yung reaction ni JM pag natikman nyo yung luto kong adobong baboy. Alright.
For me, it tastes really good. So it's like around 20 out of 20. Yeah. Masarap, super masarap yung luto namin.
I'm going to give this 100 out of 100.
Wow! I didn't expect that. I thought it's like around 10 out of 10. So it's really good. Okay. Alright, let's enjoy.
I forgot to say that.
Okay, thank
It's
you.
super good.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Enjoy. So, let's eat guys. Ayan. Masarap na masarap daw yung luto natin. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Magluto na rin kayo.